मंजिलें तो मिलेंगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं। So if you born poor, it is not your mistake, guys, right? If you born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, that is the mistake, guys. So good morning, everybody. My name is Ras from American Institute, and today I would like to tell you how to improve your English. Many of you are coming to American to improve your English, but why your English is not going to be improved? Because this is a misconception. By attending lecture class or by the conversation your English can be improved. It is the myth, guys. For improving your English, you have to come to American every day. And the second thing is that if you want to improve your English, first of all you have to talk with your friend in English. Most of the speaker, they improved their English by learning, by speaking, and by practicing. It can't be improved, guys. Really, I'm saying that by coming to American, English cannot be improved. You have to do hard work, and the first thing you have to sustain on your English, right? Because if you are going to watch movies in a Hindi, your English cannot be improved. First of all, if you are just spending your time on cell phone, so you should watch movie with the subtitles. Your English can be improved. Do you know how to improve your English?
Yeah.
What? How? What did you learn? By hard work, right? By your pronunciation, by you are not regular. First of all, you have to be regular. Your English can be improved. And you, sir? If you want to sell the laptop in a market, you have to speak in English, right?
Yes.
Your English can be improved. And really, I can say that wherever you are working, whether you are a student, you are a teacher, you are a doctor, you are an engineer, or you are mooching around here and there, if you are speaking English with your colleagues, with your friends, really, guys, I can prove that your English can be improved. Really, because I'm hailing from poor family. Really, you haven't seen such a teacher in American. I'm from Hindi medium. Even when I was in my high school now, I didn't know the meaning of walk in a morning time. Walk in English, I didn't know about that. But I learnt. I discovered myself. I don't have any teacher, guys. I have taught myself. I discovered myself, right? When I go for the practice, I used to read the books. I never go for any teacher that you should teach me. No. So you should first of all you should observe yourself. Who are you? Why you are coming to American? By this your English can be improved. Really, your English can be improved, guys. Be punctual, come on time, watch the movies, read newspaper, and improve your pronunciation with the subtitles, audio player. You have a Bluetooth, you can use that. So use the things with the right way, not a wrong way, right? This I know the value of time. That's why I'm telling you. अगर हम भी किसी अमीर घर से होते तो आज हमारे पास स्कॉर्पियो होती, आज हमारे पास बढ़िया सी बाइक होती, और किसी बढ़िया होटल में बैठ के हम भी एंजॉय कर रहे होते। लेकिन भगवान ने, ऊपर वाले ने हमें मौका दिया है अपनी लाइफ को स्ट्रांग बनाने का। पता है कैसे? गरीब बना करके। जब इंसान गरीब होता है तो मोटिवेशन वहीं से मिल जाता है उसको कि यार मुझे कुछ बड़ा करना है। जब सब मिल जाता है तो कहाँ किसके लिए फिर तड़पोगे? तो तड़प, भूख वो होनी चाहिए कोई चीज़ पाने की। वो स्ट्रैटेजी बनाइए। आपको बाइक लेनी है तो उसके लिए प्लान करिए, और जब तक प्लान नहीं करेंगे कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो प्लीज़, इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट, यू शुड हैव अ एपिटाइट। आपके अंदर भूख होनी चाहिए। भूख ही इंसान को सब कुछ करा देती है। हाँ, तो गरीब पैदा होना पाप नहीं है, गरीब मरना पाप है। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस।